divide 51 by 2. So here we divide 51 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 1. So it becomes 11. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we keep here decimal so that we can put here 0. So now it becomes 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 51 divided by 2 we get 25 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.